Hi, we're Mark and Darla from Remax Escarpment. We're here today at our newest commercial industrial listing at 40 Garner Road West in Ancaster.
This is a terrific space located on the second floor, over 1,000 square feet, loads of parking, and in a brand new commercial industrial square.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your commercial, industrial, or residential property in Ancaster, please call us. Darla, what's your phone number?
289-288-1987.
And I can be reached at 905-512-1846.